Welcome to Frumle tutorial for JavaScript. So as we have here, we have a simple node project that I created, and we're going to document this particular project and show you the steps used to document this project. After the first video, you should know how to sign up and pay for Frumle. So we're just gonna get into the steps. Once you log into your Frumle dashboard, the first thing you see is this. You see a couple of buttons here. You can see how you can get your API key and view your usage. Right now I'm on a free trial and we have 100 credits and have used 0 during this period. You can see API key, you can copy it and paste it if you need to. So let's get back to documenting our node project. The first thing to do is to click on Create Project. Once you click on that, there's a setup you can follow, a simple step-by-step process. First of all, click on the language you want, in this case JavaScript, TypeScript, click on it, press Next, and then it will provide the command to install from. Just copy that and paste it in our terminal like so, and hit Enter, and it's going to install Frumle for us. And then the next thing you need to do is to copy this command which contains your API key. And once you do that, you paste it in your terminal, and this should connect your code base to your current account. Now the first step is completed. The next thing you need to do is to go back to Frumle, click on Next. The next thing you need to do is to analyze your project. So as you can see, it's just a 3-step process you need to do. Install the package, connect it to your account, and then run the code. So we're going to run npx frumle. Now it tells you the amount of files. You have 19 files in this case. It detects your base URL. We only have the local test base URL here, and then it gives you a tip. Add production URL to Frumle. So we'll come back once your analysis is completed. Our JavaScript node Express Backend is documented. On the project section, you can see the overview, the name of the project, the language/framework, and then you have the amount of files and the amount of endpoints that are available. So let's click on this. So here's the documentation of this particular backend. You can see we have all our documentation available here, and then you can easily use any of them. You can also see your usage. You can see I've used about $37 to document the project. You can see the amount of credit I've used, and I'll come under here and see other information. So this is how you document the Node/JavaScript or TypeScript projects. Next time we look at how to document a Java project. Thank you and have a wonderful day.